Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into the topic of shortcuts on Snapchat. What if you've created a shortcut that you no longer need or want? Let's walk through how to delete it. First, open the Snapchat app on your smartphone. Next, take a photo that you would typically send as a snap. It doesn't matter where you take the photo since we won't be sending it anywhere. Now tap on the Send to button, which is usually located in the lower right corner of the screen. This will open a list of people you can send the snap to, including your shortcuts, which are located at the top of the screen. Scroll to the end of the list and tap on the plus icon. This will open a pop-up window showing your list of shortcuts, along with an option to create a new one. Find the shortcut you want to delete and tap on it. In the next window, you'll have the option to rearrange the list of recipients or delete the shortcut entirely. To delete it, tap on the trash can icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. A confirmation window will appear asking you to confirm your choice. Tap on Delete to confirm. And that's it. Your shortcut is now deleted from Snapchat. That concludes our tutorial for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more Snapchat tips, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us.